Hello everyone, welcome to this video. New day, new payment proof. Right now, your stats show $29. You can see yesterday, the 16th, the amount was 17.62025. It's currently 7:31. Alright, on the 16th, we generated $20. I've already told you that I've reduced the campaigns on this a lot because I completed the challenge I took to withdraw 1 million in 90 days. That's already done. Anyone who wants to see that journey, there's a link in the description. You can go and check it out. Alright, now what I'm going to tell you here is that whatever earnings we are making now, most of it is kind of coming through SEO. Now, when we're doing things through SEO, the biggest problem in the market is this. Okay, you showed the payment proof, you showed the running proof, and you showed one more thing. If someone wants to learn these things too, there's a number given below. You can contact and you can join. Okay, I will help you to get this result. I'm giving you a solid guarantee that you'll get this kind of result. My site is such a guarantee. You can join my team, okay? Now, the main question is that Google is not indexing my website. Google is not indexing my website. Bro, how will you solve this? This is a big problem. If you keep posting articles, keep posting, and even then Google is not indexing your website, then somewhere, if you're doing SEO for pay-per-call or for anything, then that's useless too. If you're doing SEO for blogging, that's useless too. All these things become completely useless for you. So how will you find a solution to all this? This has become a really big problem. Now, to solve this, the very first thing I'll tell you is, bro, get a VPN. Get a good VPN. Here's a VPN. You can join it. Alright, sir. You'll have to get it for 1.5 years. I've given the link below. If any of you join through it, you will get a discount as well. Obviously, I'll also get a little profit, but it has a really big use. Why you should use it, I'm about to show you. Suppose what I'm doing is, I'm connecting to the United States. Alright, I've connected to the United States. Now what do I need to do? I need to do indexing, brother. The biggest problem I have is that I need to do indexing. Now, what have you done? Let me tell you one more thing. Unless you watch the entire video, you won't understand how indexing is done. If you don't watch the whole video, you won't be able to do indexing. So, it's really important to understand this. I need to index, but how will I do it? I need to index. So how will I do it? And the method I'm about to show you, I guarantee that your website will get indexed within 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so what do you need to do now? Most of my students, whether they're Mexican students or working on pay-per-call, or they're working on Metro Line, in the sense that I'm saying, if you're working on ClickBank, alright, so if you're working on ClickBank or on PGBC, then what I do first is pick up offers, because unless we look at the weight, and unless we know exactly which keyword we need to promote, what we need to promote, we won't be able to do it. We won't even know what to do. Alright, so now, what am I promoting? I need to promote something related to flooring. I need to promote it, but I'm not a flooring champion. To promote flooring, what do people need? They need, if I have flooring. There's one more thing that comes up here. Someone else might ask, sir, if I use free tools and you use free tools, you won't get the exact information. You won't get the exact information, and you'll never be able to do those things. See for yourself. There are two things that are extremely important. First, you need to have a proper VPN, and second, you should have an anti-detect browser. I've put the links for both in the description, so you can go and get them. It's totally up to you. And you should also have one tool, which generally everyone has. But if you don't, I've also put its link in the description, so you can go and join from there. Now, let's talk about the main thing that makes it all work. Guys, I'm doing things based on flooring, okay? What am I doing? I'm working on things related to flooring. Now, first of all, let's do one thing with flooring. I had copied this, so I've copied it now. Now, look at flooring. What's the first thing that comes up in the search? San Francisco comes up because, bro, my location is set to San Francisco. Now, what I'll do here is go to Tools, then go to Anytime, and select Past Week here. I'll check which websites have made posts about this recently, and I'll look for a website that's a bit easier to work with. Alright. Now I'll check here. This one is from 6 days ago, this one from 2 days ago, 3 days ago, this Audi home posted 5 days ago, okay, this one is from 3 months ago, this one's on Just Pilot, all these things have been posted. Now, what I'll do here is add one more thing. I'll put in a contact number. I've added the contact number because I need flooring done, and what do I need? I need a contact number. Now look here, first of all, a sponsored ad has appeared. Apart from the ad, what else do we have? Besides the ad, there's this one website, okay. Apart from this, there's this Paya ICC flooring, then Yale Paya, and then this one. So there isn't any such website given here. Now here, I picked up one for brand bidding. This is a brand bidding website. Okay. On this one, I noticed that there aren't many contact numbers given either. So this option won't work for us either. Look, this is all complete research. Let me say again, what exactly am I looking for? What do I need to do to get indexed? What I need is to see how my competition is getting indexed. I need to see that. Whoever is getting things ranked, how are they doing it? We need to focus a lot on that. If we don't focus on that, we won't be able to do things the way they should be done, okay. So now I'm clicking on this here. Let me explain what I'm looking for here. See, first let me tell you what I'm searching for. I'm looking for a website or a forum where anyone can make a post, and it gets ranked very quickly. I'm looking for such a forum, and after that, I'm checking where it has managed to rank such things. You can also see things like this here, because, bro, this was 4 days ago. This is the homepage. What do I need to look at on the homepage? I need to look at posts, not the homepage. I want to see posts. If I'm looking at posts, and I understand how those posts have been ranked, then I'm working in the right direction somewhere. For example, if I take this Facebook post, what will I do? I'll take the entire post at once and copy it. Now I come here, and I'll show you what exactly I want to do. Otherwise, if I just keep searching like that, you'll also get confused. I open a REST backlink here. There's no need to buy any paid plan. Everything we need can be done right here for free, so there's no need to pay for anything. I have already told you about the thing about the tree. First, you can join my training. Second, you can take any VPN. Take January 3rd end date, your work will be done. Okay, sorry, just open it once. I'm going. So let me show you. Now our tool has opened. Sir, let's paste this and check what kind of batching has been created. Look, now I'm going to show you something really amazing here. Alright. Look here, zero backing has been created, meaning Facebook itself is such a strong tool if you have it. A very good group. If you have a decent group and it has active members who are posting on a daily basis, then you don't need to create a balance. If you do everything properly, let me show you something else. Alright. So that's done, brother. Here we posted about flooring. Now let's pick up some other keyword. Or you can pick any keyword you want. Pick Delta. Pick Delta Airlines contact number. Alright. Now, if you look here, you'll see that a lot of people have worked on many forums here. That's it. So here, for example, people have used websites like Ling Website Paper Ball, but you can't use this in the wrong way. Now, when I open this is One Pride 5 million. So that's their main website, but generally, the way people work, how they actually do it, That's what I just want to show you. People work on this, and within 5 to 24 hours, we check and see who has submitted what. Merit posted from the flat. Posted on Facebook again. There are a lot. I think those are down. In Delta customer service, within the past 24 hours, it showed up on Google once. So what we do is, we search on Bing, go to Bing Maps, search here, and here we type Delta customer service phone number and check what comes up. If something appears here, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. This is the link. Okay, so we check this one. We copy this, and then we check where it was created. We come here and refresh this page. Look, the whole game is about playing with the right index, and you'll only be able to do that if you know how to do competitor analysis. If you don't know how to do competitor analysis, then you are going to fail in this business for sure. Even here, they haven't made it, meaning the website is so strong that there was no need to make it at all. Alright, let me just do one more thing. I'll look for someone else. Let's carefully check the past 24 hours. Okay, like here's one example. Let's copy this and see. They haven't quite made it either, which means theirs must be even better. Let's thoroughly check this one. The more incredibly powerful your website is, if you genuinely get an A-grade website and you're diligently working on it, then you don't even really need to build backlinks, and your website gets indexed automatically and quite efficiently. Break time equals 0.5s/. Alright, they haven't made a backlink either. Man, this usually doesn't happen, but I don't know how it's happening now. Now let's carefully check here, examining their current backlink profile. It appears they haven't made one either, or perhaps they haven't established a significant backlink presence yet. Let's see here. I don't know. Maybe they haven't made one either because they are still in the early stages of their development, or perhaps they are focusing on other aspects of their strategy. However, upon closer inspection, it seems they've actually made a pretty solid batch of backlinks, indicating a strategic and effective approach to building their online authority. By the way, this has come up on the block. It shouldn't be coming up on the blocks. It should be coming exactly where it's supposed to. I don't know why it sent it to the block. This whole thing is its URL isn't showing up. I think the blog has become stable, so that's why it's not showing up. Let's look at this. I think a little bit. This is Blackhat. I think that's why all these things are happening. In a way, I've already told everyone how to do competition analysis. Like, see, these 12 backlinks were made, and then, look, where these 12 backlinks were made, here, here, and here. And for this, you'll have to check where exactly they are. 12 backlinks have been made, and from the linking websites. So you go to those websites and post your own link as well. When you post your own link, your website will also get indexed. Within 20 to 30 minutes, your website will easily get indexed. Apart from this, what else do we need to look at here? We need to see that there are a lot of tools in the market. If you use those tools, you can also get your website indexed. Which tools are available in the market? You can simply search here for index tools. It will cost a little bit, but you won't have to put in much effort. Now, which indexer tools are there for you? You will see here, Google indexing. So there's Junior I Post SEO, Junior I again, or what you can do is Best Index. This has been the best website for me. I get almost all my information from here. So you can use this as well, okay? It totally depends on you how you want to use it. And if you want to learn the normal, best way, then you'll have to come to me for that. So you'll study here. There are a lot of such indexing tools that you can join. And here you'll also find comparisons, okay? So you'll have to read this, When you go through this, then you'll know which tools to follow, which tool you can use. So this is the whole story. So bro, if you want to get results like the ones I'm showing you in the market, if you want to achieve this kind of results, there's already a whole process going on for that, okay? Google also has its own things, but I mostly use those for my clients. Alright, but if you want to do this thing, if you want to do this, then, bro, what you need to do is go deep into digital marketing. The digital marketing you're seeing normally, man, in reality, that's just time pass. What you're watching on YouTube. I don't want to say too much about it, but honestly, you're not really learning digital marketing. You're just getting information about digital marketing, that's all. So my simple advice to you is, if you're doing these things, do them properly, in such a way that you actually start getting results. If you want to get proper results out of this, then you know what you have to do. You need to work in a proper way, with proper minutes, in the right direction. You have to do the work. If you do the work, then you're going to get a good amount of results, So, I hope you like this video. You must have understood how to get your website indexed. If you're understanding all these things, I hope you follow that. Hope you get results from what I've just shared with you. If you like this video, just comment, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp for any further queries. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. It's really important for me, okay? So, I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.